Ready to turn that Old Navy gift card burning a hole in your wallet into a stylish online haul? First, head over to Old Navy and fill your virtual shopping bag with all the must-have items you've been eyeing. Once you're done browsing and your cart is brimming with goodies, click on the shopping bag icon in the top right corner to review your order. On the order summary page, locate the promo codes and rewards section. It's usually found just below your list of items and above the order total. Click on this section to expand it. You'll now see just separate fields, one for promo codes and another specifically for gift cards. This is where the magic happens. Carefully enter your 16-digit gift card number into the gift card field, then enter the 4-digit PIN located on the back of your gift card. You may need to gently scratch off a protective coating to reveal the PIN. Double check that you've entered both numbers correctly and then click the Apply button next to the gift card fields. Instantly, you should see your order total decrease, reflecting the value of your gift card. If the gift card doesn't cover the entire amount, you can pay the remaining balance with a credit card or other accepted payment method. If you encounter an error message like invalid gift card number or PIN, double check that you've entered the numbers correctly. Make sure you're not confusing any letters or numbers, and that there are no extra spaces. If the problem persists, contact Old Navy customer service for assistance immediately. And that's it. Complete the checkout process as usual and get ready to enjoy your brand new Old Navy treasures. Happy shopping!